Are you looking for a natural way to manage your cholesterol levels? Look no further than your spice rack. Incorporating these powerful spices into your diet can help you take control of your cholesterol and boost your heart health. 1. Turmeric, the golden spice for heart health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a powerhouse for cholesterol management. This vibrant yellow spice can help reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol. Studies show that curcumin can lower LDL cholesterol and prevent its oxidation, which is crucial in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. 2. Cinnamon, sweet solution for better lipid profiles. Cinnamon isn't just for desserts, it's a potent ally in the fight against high cholesterol. This aromatic spice contains compounds that can help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while improving blood sugar control. Adding just a sprinkle of cinnamon to your daily diet could make a significant difference in your cholesterol levels. 3. Garlic, the pungent protector of heart health. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. Research indicates that garlic can significantly reduce total and LDL cholesterol levels. The allicin in garlic may inhibit cholesterol synthesis in the liver and enhance cholesterol excretion from the body, making it a powerful tool for heart health. 4. Ginger, spicing up your cholesterol management. Ginger does more than add zest to your meals, it can also help manage your cholesterol. This root contains compounds called gingerols and shogales, which have anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties. Studies show that ginger can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cholesterol profiles. 5. Fenugreek, the seed of cholesterol control. Fenugreek, a common spice in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine, contains saponins that have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering properties. This spice can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control, making it an excellent addition to your cholesterol management plan. By incorporating these spices into your daily diet, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're taking a proactive step towards better heart health. Remember, while these spices can be powerful allies in cholesterol control, they should complement a healthy lifestyle and diet for optimal results. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen.